Today on Crawl Zone 207, I'm going to do an unboxing of this Harbor Freight Badland Apex 000lb Winch. Welcome to Crawl Zone 207. My name is Larry. On our channel we do a lot of Jeep related stuff. We do reviews on products, installations, some wheeling trips. We're going to get into doing some overlanding and things of that nature. So thanks for joining us, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing of this Badland Apex 12,000-pound winch. I currently have an older worn 9.5 Ti that I've taken the cable off, put it on synthetic on my Jeep, which is a 2007 two-door JK Rubicon. My other half, Brandy, she has a 2013 JK Rubicon two-door with a Warren Xeon 10S on hers. So we thought we'd try something a little different, try to save a little money. And this is going to be going on our 2019 JLUR. Did a little bit of research. There isn't a lot out there on the old YouTube for reviews and stuff. There's a few, but what we have seen been pretty positive. We got a smoking deal on this with a recent coupon I got in my email, and the price on this was $499 plus tax, which is a pretty smoking deal. This is roughly compared to the Warren VRS Evo that's currently available from Warren. The price is, I think right now on theirs is like $850 or so. Very compatible feature-wise from that Warren to this. And again, this is about $350 cheaper. As far as performance-wise, it's got a water stream rating of 1,450 PSI, waterproof and dustproof rating of IP68. It's got 80 feet of 3/8 synthetic line. It's got a wireless remote, as well as the other wired remote. And it's got a line speed of 31.5 feet per minute, which is pretty impressive. Again, that compares pretty well with the Warren VRS Evo. It's got some data on the back. I'll probably put a little picture on of some of the data regarding line speed. And this is pretty true to most winches. The line speed is going to vary depending upon how much rope you have on your spool. It's just math and physics. So let's get into it. I'm going to pull the cover off this box and show you what's inside it. So what we have in here is a guide to winching, all your basic stuff, I'm pretty sure. To-dos and not to-dos. Unfamiliar with winching, please read this. A lot of really good information in there. If you're well versed in winching, hell, read it anyway. There might be something you can learn. Proper techniques, angles, hooking on, snatch blocks and whatnot. All good stuff. And the all important stickers. Let's see what else we got in here. And this is probably the operating manual. Here it is, owner's and operating manual and safety instructions. Well, here's the hook. Nice forged hook, really heavy, beefy. Seems really nice. Nice fit and finish. And the strap for the hook. And here we have the remote control. Seems pretty nice. Got a waterproof cover on it. No condom. And here we have the remote cable. Well, the remote. Seems pretty nice and durable. I like it. And here it's probably going to be, yep, there it is, the fairlead. This is nice. Pretty beefy. I like it. Nice. You want to look in here, don't you? Pretty sure this is the bracket to, if you wanted to remount your electronic component somewhere else. Here's some wiring. Nicely soldered, shrink wrapped on the ends, nice. Mounting hardware. A little white box. Oh, nice. I didn't know we even had this. Battery isolator switch. That's nice. It's real nice. I like it. Here's the bottom. Looks like stainless hardware. Pretty impressed. What else we got in here? Oh my goodness. Some more hardware. Another bracket. I believe this is for the electronics if you want to relocate this under your hood, I believe. Pretty sure. You see, I pulled it out of the box. Got a few more things in the box. Looks like we have, this is nice, little Velcro winch line protector. And looks like another Velcro winch line protector. Nice. Yeah, we got some more wire right here. Again, with real nice connectors, nice heat shrink, positive cable for your controller, got a stud back here for the negative. Obviously, this is your engage and release, or your engage and free spool. Oh, that's nice. Got a nice feel to it. Doesn't feel cheesy at all. I like that. And over here is, yep, that's the port for your wired remote, and there's a switch here for your wireless remote. Well, after the unboxing of this is the first time I've seen one of these other than on the shelf at the local Harbor Freight, and seen it on videos at SEMA last year or whatever. I'm impressed. For the money, hell yeah. The fit and finish is on par with the best of them. And the stuff you get with it, it's already spooled up. So I'll probably unspool this and make sure the first wrap is tight where it's supposed to, and put some tension on it as you roll it up like you're supposed to. But man, all the stuff they give with it, you get this, give you this forged hook. This is pretty nice, and I like this depth here for 2 loops of a strap. Nice. Instead of fiddling with this aluminum funny looking thing you can hang it off the front of your Jeeps, hook this hook on your strap and you're good to go. Comes with that. It's got a wireless remote with it. It's got this battery shut off, synthetic line, 2 line protectors. I'm impressed so far. I know that a bunch of my friends have the older worn ZXR, I believe it is, ZRX, whatever the heck it's called, 12,000 pound winches. And if they take care of them, those things work great. They're a little slow, but they work. If you take care of your stuff, like about anything, it's gonna last you and it'll work. Keep it maintained and clean and serviced and greased, and they're okay. I've only seen one Harbor Freight winch fail because of neglect. Not because of the product failure, it was because it was neglect. You didn't take care of your stuff, left it out in the rain, and the components in the solenoids corroded, and then it didn't work, and the same is gonna happen with any brand. But with proper maintenance, even the Harbor Freight stuff, this is gonna do you just fine. And there again, I'm pretty impressed with this. The quality, all the stuff they give with you, and for the price, oh my word, yes. I think this is gonna be a pretty good purchase. It even feels beefy, pretty robust. Anxious to get it on the front of that JL. So this is gonna be installed on our 2019 JLUR. It's out in the garage. And we're gonna attempt to put that on a Poison Spider Brawler Light bumper we bought at Badland Heritage Jeep Festival last year. Scratching tent out of the Quartertech tent. We're gonna work a smoking deal on it, a little dent you never see. We heard, and we've done some research that says that the JK front bumper, or that one, will fit on a JL. We're gonna try. And this is going on that. If that doesn't work, we're either gonna try to make it work, or we're gonna have to buy a winch plate for the factory JL metal factory bumper. So that'll save us some money if we can put that Poison Spider bumper on that JL. That'd be pretty sweet. We'll be having an installation video soon on that process. That'll probably be in the next few days out in the garage. See if we can get that bumper to fit. It'll be pretty exciting. And see if we can get this winch mounted up on that bumper and wire it up and fire it up and see how that all works out. So if you have any comments or questions, leave them down below. We try to get to them as soon as we can and answer them if we can. So if you like this video, give her a thumbs up. We appreciate it. If you got any value out of this, give her a subscribe right down in here somewhere, and click the notification bell so you can keep up to date on future install and reviews. And until next time,